Hey, what's up everyone, it's MKBHD here. Today, we're diving into a cool iPhone feature, storing your driver's license right on your phone. Yep, you heard that right, no more fumbling for your wallet at the airport or DMV. Now this feature isn't available everywhere just yet, but more states are jumping on board all the time. Stick around, I'll break down everything you need to know, the how-to, the where-to, and why this is a game changer. Let's get right into it. Okay, so, why would you even want your driver's license on your phone? Well, for starters, it's crazy convenient. Imagine breezing through TSA checkpoints just by tapping your phone. Plus, it's super secure. Apple uses some serious encryption to protect your info. It's all locked down tight, even if you lose your phone. More on that later. For now, let's make sure you're good to go. Before you get started, you'll need a few things. First, you gotta be rocking a compatible iPhone. Think iPhone 8 or newer with Face ID, and of course, you need to be running the latest iOS. Next up, check if your state is on board with digital IDs. Right now, it's not everywhere, but it's growing fast. Lastly, make sure you have your physical driver's license handy. You'll need it for the setup process. Got everything? Let's get that license on your phone. First things first, open up your Wallet app. This app is your gateway to a more convenient and digital way of managing your cards and IDs. If you haven't used it before, don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. It's the one that looks like a little wallet, you know the drill. The icon is designed to be easily recognizable so you can find it quickly among your other apps. Once you're in there, tap on the plus sign in the top right corner. This plus sign is your entry point to adding new items to your digital wallet, whether it's a credit card, a boarding pass, or in this case, your driver's license. This is where you add new cards, and, you guessed it, your driver's license. The app will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy even if you're not tech savvy. Now select driver's license or state ID. This option is specifically designed to securely store your identification, making it accessible whenever you need it. You'll see a little blurb about the feature and which states are supported. This information is crucial as not all states have rolled out support for digital IDs yet. Give it a read and hit continue. It's always good to be informed about the features and limitations of the tools you're using. Now choose your state and follow the on-screen instructions. It's pretty straightforward stuff. The app will provide you with detailed steps to ensure your ID is added correctly. You'll basically be scanning your license and snapping a quick selfie. This step is essential for verifying your identity and ensuring that your digital ID is secure. Don't worry, we'll get to that part in a sec. The app will guide you through the process, making it as simple and quick as possible. Just follow the prompts and you'll have your digital driver's license set up in no time. Section 5. Getting verified with Face ID. Alright, time for some Face ID magic. This is one of the most secure and convenient ways to verify your identity. Apple uses this advanced technology to make sure it's really you adding the license. It's not just about unlocking your phone, it's about ensuring your personal information is protected. You'll be prompted to position your face within a frame and gently move your head in a circle. This allows the true depth camera to capture your unique facial features from different angles. Pro tip, make sure you're in a well-lit area and that your face is clean and unobstructed. Good lighting helps the camera capture all the necessary details. No hats, sunglasses, or funky face masks, alright? These can interfere with the camera's ability to recognize your face accurately. This ensures Face ID can get a clear scan. The more precise the scan, the more secure your verification process will be. Once Face ID does its thing, your info gets encrypted and securely transmitted to your state's DMV for verification. This encryption process ensures that your data is protected from unauthorized access. The DMV then uses this information to verify your identity, ensuring that the person adding the license is indeed you. This multi-step process is designed to provide maximum security and peace of mind. After the verification is complete, you'll receive a confirmation on your iPhone. This means you're all set, and your digital license is now securely added to your device. You can now use your digital license for various purposes, such as identification and verification, without having to carry a physical card. It's a convenient and secure way to manage your personal information. Embrace the future of identification with Face ID and enjoy the seamless experience it offers. It's not just about technology, it's about making your life easier and more secure. Section 6. Keeping your license super secure. Now, let's talk security. Apple takes this stuff seriously. Your license data is encrypted and protected by Face ID or your passcode. This means even if you lose your phone, no one can access your info without your biometrics or code. But wait, there's more. You can even add an extra layer of security with Find My. If your phone ever goes missing, you can use Find My to locate it or even erase your device remotely. Section 7. Troubleshooting tips for common issues. Running into a snag, don't trip. Here are a few quick fixes to help you get back on track quickly and efficiently. Whether it's a minor glitch or a more persistent problem, we've got you covered with these simple solutions. Face ID isn't scanning properly. This can be frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry. Try cleaning your camera lens with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any smudges or dirt. Also, make sure you're in a well-lit area, as poor lighting can affect the Face ID's ability to recognize your face. Sometimes, adjusting the angle of your phone can also help. My state isn't listed. This can be a common issue when new features are being rolled out. The feature is gradually rolling out to more states. Keep checking back regularly for updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as updates often include new features and bug fixes. My license scan failed. This can happen for a variety of reasons. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and that your license is clean and unobstructed. Hold your license steady and ensure it's within the frame on your screen. If the problem persists, try restarting your iPhone and attempting to scan again. Still stuck? No worries. You can reach out to Apple support for personalized help. They can provide step-by-step guidance and troubleshoot more complex issues. Remember, you're not alone. Help is just a call or a click away. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance to ensure your iPhone is working perfectly. Section 8. You're all set, and there you have it. Your driver's license right there on your iPhone. Convenient, secure, and the future of identification. Remember to check if your state is supported, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Peace out.